India, the world's fourth largest economy, is on a remarkable journey. By 2030, we will be a $7.3 trillion economy. By 2047, our goal is $30 trillion, raising per capita income to nearly $20,000 and achieving a Human Development Index of 0.9. This incredible growth demands huge energy, rising from 10,500 terawatt hours today to nearly 28,000 by 2047. At the same time, we have pledged to halve our CO2 emissions. This is India's unique challenge and its greatest opportunity. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, India is proving that economic growth and environmental stewardship can go hand in hand. India has contributed little to global warming historically, yet we have taken a leading role in combating climate change. Guided by the principles of equity and common but differentiated responsibilities, India is committed to being part of the solution. With 75% of emissions linked to energy, the clean future begins with how we power our nation. Already, our forest cover has grown to over 25%, absorbing 22% of our annual emissions. Proof that India can grow its economy and its green cover together. Our roadmap is built on 5 sovereign pillars. First, the power of the sun and wind, delivering over 10,500 terawatt hours by 2047. Second, biomass, contributing 3,000 terawatt hours. Third, run-of-river hydropower with 2,000 terawatt hours. Fourth, coal, generating 10,000 terawatt hours, but with carbon capture, utilization and storage, transforming it into a zero-emission bridge fuel. And fifth, nuclear power, scaling to 100 gigawatts, more than 10 times today, using rapid deployment of large indigenous reactors, small modular reactors, and thorium-based advanced reactors under Nuclear Energy Mission. Our vision extends beyond power plants. The Green Hydrogen Mission is creating a full-scale hydrogen ecosystem for industry and transport. E-mobility is reshaping our roads, reducing dependence on imported fuels. Agriculture too is transforming, with solar-powered irrigation under PMKUSUM Yojana and biomass-based rural energy. The challenge is immense, but so is the opportunity. India is investing in technological sovereignty because the future cannot be built on legacy systems. Need of the hour is quadruple helix model, connecting academia, research, industry, and startups to drive deep tech innovation. By 2047, India will be a developed nation powered by clean energy, driven by innovation, and committed to climate responsibility. This is our promise to our citizens, to our planet, and to future generations. Together, let us build a Viksit Bharat that proves economic growth and environmental balance can thrive together, driving a sustainable future through clean energy and climate innovation. Igniting the spirit of innovation. ESTIC 2025. Imagine, innovate, inspire for Viksit Bharat 2047.